What's happening, guys? In today's video we're going to be fitting the CEUK engine bay dress-up kit. So the Car Enhancements UK kit consists of 12 metallic red, well in my case I ordered red, washers like spacer type things, and also 12 stainless screws. As well as fitting that, I'm going to fit, where's it gone? Oh, I'm being an idiot, found it, right. Bonnet lip, literally 30 quid for a piece of thin rubber. Mint. So the only reason I'm actually going to replace it is when I bought my car, it did come with one, but it started to peel and the adhesive's like not very good. It sort of peels full of crap. When I wash it, more water gets behind it. So yeah, boy. And by the way, I'm fully aware I look like a KP roasted nut at the minute. I've been working on a building site all day on a roof. Shout out to Ben Davey. So I look pretty red. I was going to do both of these tomorrow, but I'm just going to make the most of these light evenings, really. Ignore the filthy car, but this is what the current one looks like. So water's getting behind here and it's pretty much just peeling off here as well. Fingers crossed. I should probably use a bit of heat, but sweet. Got part way through and noticed that the actual paint is peeling off too, which is really annoying, but I suppose it's going to be covered up either way, but yeah, not too nice. So I've gone ahead and used a bit of T-Cut just to clean up the surface. And finally, guys, I'm going to use some white spirit just to clear all the contaminants off the surface, make it as smooth as possible. Just before I fit it as well, I'm going to use some touch-in paint, so that's going to prevent it rusting in the future. That's the final result. Right guys, now onto the dress up kit. Like I said, it comes with 12 and it's going to be replacing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you're going to have 2 spare. If you've got a Mark II, you'll know how shit these are and how crap they are. Really bad quality and just weak. So this is a really good upgrade to have, and it just looks smart. So all I'm doing to remove these is use a Phillips screwdriver just to spin that lightly and then prise it up gently with a little flathead and they should just completely pop out. Oops, not like that. Once you've removed all your screws, make sure you don't remove the black spacers. Dress up kit goes on top, and then screw it in. Right guys, that's all 10 bolts fitted. That looks so much tidier. Something small, but it makes a little bit of a difference. Just brings out the red hoses much more. It's Imposer delete kit, induction kit, and soon I'll be buying the turbo to crossover pipe. So that'll be red as well. Right guys, so that's the engine bay all done. If you are interested in these products, I'll leave the links to both in the description for both the bonnet lip and the CEUK dress up kit. The dress up kit literally took me about 20 minutes to do in total. I mean, that includes me setting the camera up and all that as well. But if you're looking for a very easy modification to do that's going to make it look much better, just simple things, definitely worth considering. I've also gone and bought myself something I've wanted to get for so long for the ST. It's going to make a massive difference to the appearance and hopefully it'll arrive by next week so I can put it in the next video. Anyway guys, I hope you did enjoy the video. If you did, give it a like. If you're new, subscribe, and I'll see you next week. Peace.